Humans have a unique ability unlike any other creature, and what we are able to do is we're able to project into the future a reality that we want to experience. You may call this imagination, you may call this dreaming, but the cool thing is that, look, there's no squirrel sitting around thinking, what do I want to be when I get to be age 20 or something like that. But very recently, several things have come to fruition that are awesome. In fact, next month, the UK trip. So we're going Igniting Souls UK, and we're going to have an event in London. In a couple weeks, we have the Author Academy Awards, which is an idea that we had to create a literary contest that would help authors of all kinds, traditional, indie, self-published, experience a very cool red carpet awards ceremony. Also in a couple weeks, we have the Igniting Souls Conference in Columbus, Ohio, where we've doubled attendance. Last year we started the Guild, which is our certified ghostwriters, proofreaders, editors. Listen, all these initiatives that happened were once just a single idea, and there was all kinds of obstacles: finances, training, logistics, details, a hotel in London that we needed to have our event at that I have no clue what hotels are even in London. Listen, all these things came up, and the cool thing is that I didn't know all the details back then, but today we do. Today we understand these because we took action. You never understand the how. You just don't. When you have an idea, you never understand the how. You only understand the what and the why. Even the when and the where is not always accurate, but the what and the why, if you can get a hold of that, what we're going to do and why we're going to do it, the how will figure itself out. I'm convinced that a big enough what, a big enough why attracts a team around you that will figure out the how. Just yesterday, I got off the phone with Sunil and Petula from the UK. Sunil and Petula from the UK. These people are fantastic. This was our final video chat prior to the London event, and it was amazing. All the details are done. And Petula jumped in and said, hey, I'll take care of designing name tags for everybody so they feel welcome, and we'll do gift bags. And Sunil jumped in and said, I want to put you up in a host home. Petula said, I have a professional cyclist who's going to take you out in the countryside so you can bike in the UK. I mean, all this stuff just comes together, but so many times people freak out and they flip out about the how. Well, how are we going to do that? Well, how are we going to get the budget? Well, how are we going to get the plans? Forget about that. The secret to doing anything is to get clear on the what, to get clear on the why, and then all the other details will happen as long as you have a clear vision. This is Kary Oberbrunner, Be a Soul on Fire, and I'm pulling right now into the Igniting Souls Fellowship, our monthly gathering, where we are essentially in Columbus, Ohio, having a free business seminar for the community. We have hundreds of people that actually we only have about 50 people, 30 to 50 people that show up in person, but then we have thousands and thousands and thousands that watch online. And jump in, check out Igniting Souls Fellowship. We'd love to have you watch virtually or come physically. And we have it at Life Point, which is a really cool place. So a big shout out to Life Point for letting us host it here. This is Kary Oberbrunner, Be a Soul on Fire today, and I'm going to start unloading some books and banners. We'll see ya.